Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products to help you make smarter purchases. Today, we have a head-to-head battle between two Braun electric shaver replacement heads. On the left, we have the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement, and on the right, we have the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head. Let's dive right into it. When it comes to price, the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement will cost you around $48, while the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head comes in at a more affordable $25. In terms of performance, the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement boasts peak performance, maintaining your best shave for up to 18 months. On the other hand, the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head guarantees a close shave and claims to bring your shaver back to 100% performance. When it comes to ease of replacement, the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement prides itself on simple replacement. Just click it on and you're good to go. On the other hand, the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head also offers a simple replacement, but in just 2 easy steps. Compatibility is key, and the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement is solely designed for Series 7 electric shavers. On the other hand, the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head is compatible with a wide range of razor models, including some from the Series 7. Let's take a look at some Amazon reviews to see what customers have to say about these products. Alright folks, it's time to wrap this up. Both the Braun Series 770's electric shaver head replacement and the Braun Series 332B foil and cutter replacement head have their strengths. The Series 770's offers peak performance and quality craftsmanship, while the Series 332B brings affordability and compatibility to the table. At the end of the day, it all depends on your preferences and needs. If you're looking for that reset and you're rocking a Series 7 shaver, the Series 770's is a solid choice. But if you want to save a few bucks and enjoy compatibility with multiple razor models, the Series 332B has got you covered. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more product comparisons and helpful tips. Until next time, stay smart and happy shopping.